Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Valorant Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 error with simple and effective steps. This issue usually appears on Windows 11 when Secure Boot or TPM 2.0 is disabled in BIOS. First, restart your PC and enter BIOS settings by pressing Delete or F2 key during startup. Once inside BIOS, find the Secure Boot option and enable it. Next, look for TPM settings. It may be called PTT on Intel or FTPM on AMD, and make sure it is enabled. After that, save the changes and exit BIOS. Now, boot into Windows and check that both Secure Boot and TPM are active by typing System Information in Search. Also, make sure your Windows is fully updated because outdated versions can cause this error. If the issue still continues, reinstall Riot Vanguard and restart your PC. Finally, launch Valorant again and the Secure Boot and TPM error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.